Sa pangutangan ni Sir John Pahis. Prior sa, si John Salico sir sa Bong Radio, prior sa competition, one yung gisukudaan ang oval para may bawaan na to kung kuwang ba siya 2 meters. Para kung may bawaan pa na to sayo pa sa wapang competition, mapangitaan to og lain nga venue para adto ipahigan ang marathon.
I think you'll have to direct that question also to our contractor, no? Because ilan naman yung trabaho, di ba? And kami, since this was built in 1994, not just with the Palaro, but also the Philippine National Games, Batang Pinoy, Prisaa, and so many other events that were held here at the Oval. So we were very, very confident. So I think the third party, again, a consultant, the final results, I think maunalay mo, so mo hatag na tog final verdict good, no? But it was really up to the contractor to follow because the specifications, of course, came from the PSC.
Sir,